guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we will be unboxing another Xshot blaster, and it is the Xshot Skins Lock Blaster. It has been given in Christmas by my Lola, and as a gift. But not only that, we'll be also unboxing this small pistol, the Xshot Skins Menace 2.
Okay. So let's start unboxing.
Okay.
So which one we will start with?
Let's start with the Xshot
Small one.
Menace.
Okay.
The small one, like an appetizer before we get to the big.
Let's do it.
Okay.
You're gonna open it?
Yes, I'm gonna open it.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
Let's open it.
Okay. So break it.
Okay. Like that, just like so. Break it like this, and then, ooh, look at this. We also have some manual, I think. Yeah. Look at that.
As usual.
As usual, and some darts for things also comes with additional darts, so just in case if we lose them. And these things actually show all the Xshot skins. This. And we're gonna be using.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the gun that it is. Here's the gun. It's a
Small
very
one?
small one. The when you hold it, it's like it doesn't feel. Yeah, it's very light, but the only problem is that like this thing is stubby and small, so it doesn't feel on your whole hand.
Okay, trying your.
So
Oh,
try
it's just
this.
only single shot.
Yeah, it's a single shot, but the best part is that you can save some money. You can put some more darts here, just like if you have 3 rounds. Now you have to do this, and we pull the trigger.
Ooh,
Wow,
quite strong.
it's
even though
strong.
it's
Look at okay, let's try it again. This time we try. This thing is hard to pull though, just to check. So that's why it has so much force, and it just goes flat.
small. Okay, so that is good.
Yeah, it's good. It checks. It's good. It's easy to spin too. Best.
Okay, let's go to the next round.
Okay, next one. The main course
Main course.
is the Lock Blaster. Now this thing I'm really excited for. This thing is not an ordinary gun.
Okay, so what is the special on here?
Okay, the special thing is that you cannot play this gun, but you can play it if you only know the code. You have to get a code to unlock this. You have to get a code to unlock this. In order to get the code, you have to scan a QR code that's in the back of this gun. You
Okay,
scan it, you'll be able to get the code to unlock this blaster.
Okay, so let's open it.
And also, this is a lever action shotgun. Is this a shotgun? Looks like a shotgun.
Oops. Okay. Okay, this is how it comes.
Ah, it's failed. Okay, here's the.
Two back off.
Okay.
Oh, a lot
Yeah.
to open.
This thing is just fun. This one, but it's hard. Boom. Again. Okay.
Okay. We're doing faster.
Okay.
Anti-clockwise.
I'm just putting it tighter. Okay. So
Okay.
now we got actually
Remove this
what
one.
we got. And now here's the QR code, right? Here. You scan this, and then we will get the
Okay,
code.
so we need to scan the QR code.
using the phone.
So we will use
Yes,
your phone.
I'm using my phone. Okay.
This one.
One sec. QR our scan. There it is. Now we just need to.
So we'll just show you how it will work.
Now all we gotta do is to scan
Just
the
wait.
code.
Okay.
And then we just open the link right here. And now it will put you in a very special place, and then it has
Okay,
this
so you
thing.
need to see.
See?
Look at this. Nice.
at that.
Unlocking.
And unlock it is 161. It's 16.
Not yet. Not yet. Wow.
That's all. The code is 161.
161 is your code.
Okay, so
So
okay, we're gonna put the code in here. So look at this. The thing won't
So,
slide
right
at all. So
now
let's just
it's
now
locked.
put.
So
Yeah,
here you have to show the number.
the number it's 161.
One.
6. It's 6 already. Oh, it's
6
6.
and 1.
Now.
It's locked.
Still locked.
Yes.
Like that.
So yes. So this side. So
Ouch. Okay, so that's how.
point. Okay. So yeah. And then
No.
it's locked.
Push it all the way.
Yeah. Okay. So let's try with the dots.
Okay, let's put on some
Refill.
clothes here.
I think you can remove it, and then you can also
Yeah, you can I think you can
refill
remove
it like that.
and you can just refill like that.
Take some of the dots faster.
Very fast like that. Okay. Let's put this. Next. And there. Last two.
Open another one.
Now we don't need to do that's it.
You have lot. Now
Oh, wait, we need
we
three.
just only place it here,
one more.
and the last one.
And then that
Okay.
is
That's
the
it.
shot.
Yes, quite
Yeah, it's perfect.
strong. And open. Yes, action.
First time you see it. Oh!
Okay, so this is the gun.
Yeah, this is the gun, and
So this is our unboxing
this is
video.
our unboxing video, guys.
So thank you for watching our video.
Thank you.
Hope you
And
enjoy.
Hope you say. And please smash the like and please subscribe. And please
See you in our next
see
video.
you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye guys.